Good morning, dear students. Today our topic is very important topic which you use in day-to-day life. In this modern age, I think that now this has become one of the organ of our life. That is this. What is this?
Cell phone.
Cell phone. It has become our organ as we have arms, as we have legs, as we have ears, eyes, nose. In this same way, now I think that it has become organ. But I always say you that nothing is good or bad, but use makes it so. It depends upon your use. If you will make it as proper use, it will be beneficial for you. Is it clear to you? As I always say you that a coolie has become IAS officer. Coolie, but only with the help of this cell phone. But he has made its proper use. That is our topic today is phone conversation. Phone
Conversation.
yeah, telephonic conversation or phone conversation is our today's topic. That is phone conversation or telephonic conversation is our today's topic. I know that you all are familiar with the phone conversation and you make the phone conversations in your own way. But it is known to you that as in all things we have studied that there are two ways while we speak or while we write. That is formal and informal. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Formal and
Informal.
informal. It is known to you from the very beginning, formal letters, formal report, informal report. In case of formal, we have to do the formalities.
Modesty.
Very.
Have to show.
We have to first of all think then to speak. For example, you have to speak with your boss. You have to speak with your teacher. You have to speak
Yes. Yes.
with your elders. There you have to think first, then you have to speak. And informal, when you are not bound with the formalities.
With friends, like.
For example, with your friends, with your youngers, you can speak in any way. That is in short, in the same way it is of two types, we can say that. 1 second. Class. 1 second. First of all, what you have to do? It is also in your syllabus in 4th semester. Why don't you display? Kalas. हाँ चलो we will do in our own way. That is I already told you that now we will do there. How you have to do that is formal and informal. That is in case of formal, you have to make the formalities. For example, good morning. First of all, you have to greet somebody if it is informal. Good morning. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. It is better because we are mostly in our classroom, we are Muslims. It is good to first of all say Assalamu alaikum, then hello. That is, in case of informal, is he there? That is, you will speak directly. It is not necessary to make the greeting. Could you hold on a moment, please? Hello, George's phone. That is, you can say directly. Here, you have to speak in proper way. Is it clear? This is I am afraid he is in the meeting. Just a minute. Yani ki, in proper way. Telephonic conversation was again formal and informal. Now you will see yourself because I have to go somewhere else. Telephonic conversation. He is free in the afternoon about 2. Thank you, Yankee. You have to use these things. I have to do so much. Formal and informal, we have already done this. Whole expression, these are expressions. That is, first of all, you have to greet. First of all, you have to greet. Hi, hello, what is up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello, what is up? Good morning, good afternoon. And then you have to introduce yourself. Who are you? That is, you have to introduce yourself. And I am whoever, Leela, Sheila, Peter, Mohan, this. Then you have to give a reason. And then after that you will call, I am calling for what? If the person is not there, maybe if the person may not be there, you can say, can I have a message for him? Is it clear? It is known to you. Phone conversations. That is in this way. Good morning. This is speaking, you can say your name. Who is speaking? Come in. These are the phrases which are mostly used for telephonic conversation. These are the phrases. Cut off, get through, hang on, call back, hang up, pick up, put through, speak up, break up, hold on. You always use these words, I know. Because I already told you that, and you can see yourself their meaning. Because I have to start something more. These are once again the phrases which I already told you, and there is given the definition also. You can see them. This is the language which I already told you that how you have to speak. Once again the phrases. Formal and informal which I have already told you. This is the explanation of what is meant by hang on, to wait for a short time. That is where we use these phrases. What is meant by them? The meaning is given here. Call by examples. These are 10 phrases which we use mostly in our conversation in both formal and informal. One second. This is, which I already told you, importance of the telephonic conversation. What is the importance of telephonic conversation? This is this is importance of telephonic conversation. Why we do the telephonic conversation? Instantaneous communication, very quickly. Whenever there comes in your mind or whenever you have any word, you quickly call somebody up on the phone, and this is quick means of communication. No other means is as quick as telephone. Letter will take days, message will take minutes, but phone call will take only seconds. Immediate, there comes immediate feedback. It is known to you. Greater equalizer, equally they can say you what they have to say. This is definition. What is telephonic communication? A telephonic communication is a type of oral communication. It is known to you. We speak here, that is oral, which is done by two persons. There should be two persons. Is it clear? That is greetings, which I already told you that how we do the greetings in English. This is the example. of formal. I already told you what is meant by formal, and this is example of the formal phone conversation. Problem is related to sender. Sometimes the sender is not able to speak properly. There comes some problems to him. For example, the sender speaks too softly. The receiver is not able to listen him. There should be the proper tone. Not like me, as most of my viewers say me that you speak loudly and quickly, but it is natural to me. I try to manage it, but I can't. So many times, then I can say that healthy criticism comes from my friends, from my students also. They say that, sir, you are speaking loudly. As it is noted now, I am not using even this wire because it is nature. That is, the sender speaks too softly. Sometimes some may speak softly. You have to ask the sender to speak up. The sender talks a mile a minute. Some have the habit they speak after 3 minutes. Pause. By that one becomes bored. The sender mumbles. Sometimes they mumble. Oh. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Give answers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The sender talks so loudly. Sometimes the senders may be like me. They speak loudly. Guideline is hard. These are the guidelines. Tone should be proper. Be careful and friendly. Don't call upon the phone. Don't be too harsh. Let the telephone ring a reasonable length of time. Don't keep too much ringtones which were loud. What is telephonic conversation? I already told you that it is a transmission of message through phone. It can be formal or informal. I already told you that what is meant by formal with his office or with your boss. Informal with your friends and relatives. This is a telephonic conversation which is done by this girl. This is advantages and disadvantages of telephonic conversation. Save time. I already told you that it saves time. Overcomes distance barriers. Somebody may be somewhere, but we are able to speak with him. The barriers are vanishing. Modern means of telecom. This is at this time. This is modern means. Maybe in future there may be something new, but at this time this is available. Disadvantages: no facial expression. You cannot see. In video call you can see, but not in telephonic conversation. I here say about telephonic conversation. Not satisfactory services. Services are not satisfactory. Misunderstanding is there comes the misunderstanding sometimes. As I always say to you that sometimes you only listen only clause of the sentence. Then you have to give explanation. I have not told you this. I want to say this. Then there starts a quarrel upon the phone. That is known to you. What is a telephonic conversation? I so many times say this. Telephonic conversation, once again, types. These are types. These are important according to. Here are some essential phone secrets that you obtain: communication, biting, attitude, clarity, and synchrone, dictation, interpersonal secrets. These are important. Empathy and sincerity, active listening, professionalism, organization, politeness, gratitude and appreciation, research and preparation skills, leadership, task and time management, because it should be in proper time, not lengthy or not small conversation. Technical skills, common phrases which I already told you, phrasal verbs which I already told you what is meant by them. Phrases I told you that. Formal and informal, I already told you that what is meant by formal and how you will make a telephone in case of formal. Good morning, sorry, I already told you, phone, formal and informal. Types. Telephonic conversation. Because in your examination they will see you the types. Formal, informal. Okay, this section. One second. Now I will show you directly some telephonic conversations online so that you will be able to understand what I want to say. Yes, you can see yourself. English phone conversation, how to have flat conversation with friends. You can see yourself only if you notice. Because then you have to do in practical life.
Hi, Earl. This is Phoebe from Empire Office Supply. I'd like to talk to you about your toner needs.
I don't need any toner.
In this lesson, you will have fun learning English with friends with 15 with Phoebe on the phone.
Why is
Now,
it
it
not?
comes in two parts. In the first part, grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. And in the second part, we'll learn how to have a real conversation on the phone. In the first part, we'll learn grammar, new vocabulary, and pronunciation. And in the second part, we'll
Sound should be louder.
You asked for it. So this American English pronunciation videos, we're going to do a Ben Franklin exercise where we take real American English conversation and analyze. Get there now.
You will not be able to understand. I will see. There should be loud sound so that you will be able to listen. Phone conversation practice. Listen me people.
answering the phone. Hello, how are you? Is Jennifer there?
Speaking. What's up?
Why haven't you answered the phone?
My bad. I had chores to do.
That's all right. Is Jennifer Banks available?
You're talking to her.
I've called you 100 times today.
Network is not good. Now I think that you have understood.
No.
Anybody any doubt? Anybody any doubt? Any doubt?
May I speak
Any
to
doubt?
Jennifer, please?
Doubt, if you have any doubt, settle. You can take the screenshots. I have done very quickly because I think that you are aware, you are familiar with this phone conversation. So I have done also this in only in English, not in Kashmiri. Now it is your turn.